Hey guys, welcome back to our beginner lash extension technique series. Today we're going to be talking all about volume lashes. So whether you're a beginner lash artist who wants to learn more about volume, or if you're already doing volume and you just want to brush up on your skills, this one's for you. All the products are linked below. Let's go ahead and get started. Ken's has mentioned that she loves a cat eye shape. This is going to be perfect on her because it will visually draw her eyes outward and slightly upward. It's also just a really cool stylized look. Ken's came in with no visible makeup on, so we're not going to do the makeup removing step, but we are going to cleanse her lashes with a lash bath gel to get rid of any extra oils, residue, or debris. Using our clean swoop brush, we're going to lather really nicely and hug that lash line. This is a really important step here because your clients typically cannot get their lashes as clean as you want them, so this brush right here is going to get deep into the lash line to get those nice and clean. Also, this is really going to help your retention. This is such a soothing, relaxing step for your client too. It's going to leave their skin feeling really hydrated and their lashes extra nourished. We're just going to use a little water dropper to clean off any extra residue from the lash bath gel. Next, we're going to be taping the lashes. So you're going to want to take a gel pad and secure down the bottom lashes. Make sure that you're avoiding the water line. This is just the very tips of the bottoms. Now you want to take 2 half-inch pieces of tape and apply them to each corner. Again, just make sure that you're not getting too close to that water line because that could really hurt your client's eyes. Make any micro adjustments that you need to after this step. Also, just a pro tip, you can ask your clients how they're feeling with this. They let you know that the tape feels like it's a little too close to them, just readjust. Next, we're going to pre-treat using 2 micro swabs and our pre-treatment. We're going to apply to the upper and underneath layers of the lashes, just making sure that you get a little bit on every lash. This will definitely help with your retention and just making sure that there's not any extra oils left over on those lashes. Next, we're going to blueprint. This is going to be the framework for our cat eye. All right, it's time to start lashing. Let's go ahead and dispense a drop of our adhesive, make sure that our tile is loaded with all the lashes that we want, and let's get going. The key to healthy lashes is isolation. You want to make sure that you are isolating 1 natural lash and applying 1 fan to each natural lash. Kira's using our curved isolator tweezer and our Borby boot. You can see 2 tweezers are definitely better than 1 here. 1 is isolating, while the other helps you untangle the other lashes around it. Let's start by laying down some fans. We're dipping each fan into adhesive and attaching it to the lash. To learn what fanning techniques we're using, check out our other YouTube beginner technique playlist. My ride or die volume tweezer is the Borby boot. It has amazing grab so my fans never slip. Here we will be working in sections, alternating between each eye. Now that our client is done being lashed, we're going to gently untape her lids and lower lashes. Make sure that none of her lash extensions are sticking to the gel pad. This is really important, to just be super gentle as you're pulling up her lashes from the tape, and also the tape and gel pad off her skin. Don't forget to nano mist your clients after the service. This is going to make it a lot more comfortable for them to open their eyes and also cure the adhesive. Make sure you do one final comb through the lashes, ensuring that everything is going in the right direction before your client opens their eyes to see them. Make sure to apply a cool down calming eye mask at the very end of the service so that your client's eyes can leave feeling refreshed. All right, let's take a look at our final product. Look at those cat eyes. There you have it, a volume set, start to finish. For more on volume lashing and more of our techniques, or if you want some one-on-one mentoring, click the link below for our online campus. Follow us on Instagram, borboleta.artist, for inspiration, tips and tricks, blueprinting, and more. Also, make sure you comment below and let us know what else you'd like to see in the upcoming videos. All right, see you next time.